Last week, again, we talked about organization. We know there's 3 parts to a presentation. What are they? Introduction, body, conclusion. In the introduction, we're going to start with a greeting. Can you tell me what a greeting is? Good morning. Just saying hi, basically. Hello. Very easy. The easiest part of the presentation. Hello. Good morning. Maybe you say your name, maybe you don't. Often then, a presentation will have a hook. What's a hook? Yeah, it's some method to get the viewer's attention on you. Something that'll help grab their attention. Let's just brainstorm a little bit. What could we use as a hook? What is it?
Anecdote.
One more time.
Anecdote.
An anecdote, okay. Anecdote, what else? All right, some example. Some personal story. How about you in the black? Can you give me one? Just. You want to grab people's attention. How do you grab their attention?
Loudly speak.
Speak loudly, all right. All right, good try. What else? All right, these are just, we could do something shocking, some sort of shock value where they're really surprised. A personal story we have, a quote. What's a quote? You know what a quote is? Okay. Do you know? What is it? A quote is saying something that somebody said. Like usually a famous person said this. So you can quote Albert Einstein. Like Albert Einstein said that creativity is more important than knowledge. Imagination is more important than knowledge. It's saying something, some kind of famous words that somebody said. So a quote, personal story, shock. Maybe this could be just a photo. Perhaps maybe a statistic. Maybe a statistic would be like this. 50% of the students in this classroom are going to get an F. Okay, so that's a statistic, and maybe it grabs your attention because it pertains to you. So, not every presentation has a hook. You don't have to have a hook. Alright? But if you're able to do it well, they're effective. And if you're not able to do it well, then they're not effective. So, one other thing, the hook is very quick. You don't want a long, drawn-out hook where you... If we're doing a 5-minute presentation, our first one's going to be 5 minutes. The hook should just take like 10 seconds at most, just very quick. And the whole introduction should take about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Great. Next. Purpose. Statement. this is maybe the most important part. What's a purpose statement? Do you know? No? A purpose statement is, okay, so you're giving a presentation, you come to the front of the room, right? You're standing in front of everybody. The purpose statement is, why are you standing up here? Why the heck are you standing up here? And it's usually one sentence. Usually, not always, but for right now, we'll do one sentence. And it explains what you're doing up here, why you're up here. So for example, today I'm going to talk to you about traveling. So that's why I'm up here. I'm standing up here because today I'm going to talk to you about traveling. That's your purpose statement. It's simple. It's one sentence. It's very clear, easy to understand. Now, there's some tricky things about a purpose statement. Some can be good and some can be bad. What would you say about this purpose statement? Is this a good one or a bad one? Is it one sentence about? Yeah. Is it clear? Do you understand it easily? Yeah? Okay. And would you say it's good or bad? Okay. It's not detailed enough. Why? Because traveling, it's not specific enough. It's too general. So we could be talking about traveling to Japan, we could be talking about traveling to the moon. We could talk, we don't know what we're talking about. It's very, very general. So we might want to make it more specific. So let's try that right now. If we're making I want you to write a topic sentence very quickly and make this one better. Improve this so it's better. So go ahead and do that right now. Write one purpose statement like this. Improve this one. This one's not good. Make this one better.